Good evening. It is about 6 p.m. in the evening over here in New Jersey. Just wanted to give you guys a bit update on this new recipe. I created a Chipotle style veggie burrito bowl at home, which cost me literally $3. When I go to Chipotle, I pay about $12 for one bowl. I made the same bowl but with only $3. So come take a look at how I created it and how cheap it is to eat home, and also how healthy it is to eat. Like the recipes that I post, please like, share, and subscribe, and we can make new recipes every week. Thank you for all your support and all your help.